friends, Carl Shippich here. I'm going to give you guys a quick little demo of AI Prompt Agent. I'm not going to go in every single specific, but I'm going to do my best to quickly go through this so you can see the power of AI Prompt Agent. So as you can see here, when you first log in, you're going to get access to both community and prompts. The difference between the two is community is a shared repository. So meaning you could create prompts that actually live in here, live, breathe, and act and accomplish many things for people. And you can share it that way. And there's some pretty cool incentives that you can get for doing that. Everything is nicely organized. So you could do it, look at recent, top rated, most popular, and things that you liked as your favorites. So you could actually favorite things by hearting them. And that's going to tell the system that, oh, I like this, and I'm going to keep a little database of that. You can also see community favorites as well. So it's going to have your personal favorites and your community favorites as well. Just to look at anything you want, there's all these tags and stuff. You can look at tags based off of all of these different criterias. You can create tags when you're going over them. You could also look at things based off these categories. You could look at things based off of which chatbot LLM platform you want to look at these from, and it's just going to show you. So there's none for Manus. That's why I just went there. But like Perplexity, for instance, you could see that there's a bunch here. So the way that these work is you just click anywhere on the one that you want to work with. Here's the one that's the in-depth historical event analysis. You would basically just fill out the variables, and the variables are going to fill out actually in the prompt itself. And then once you've filled out those variables, you just click copy to clipboard, and that's it. Now you can also, you could upload it and say, I like this one, I'm going to upload it, and boom, it just let me upload it. I'm going to save this in my favorites. Boom, it just allowed me to add it to my favorites. There's a couple places that you can do that at directly. And then after you've copied it to your clipboard, you're just going to paste it into whatever LLM that you chose. So this one's saying this one's good for ChatGPT, Clyde, Perplexity, and probably others. Now, when you are creating a prompt, you just click anywhere where it says new prompt. And then you would give it a title. You would pick the top 3 that you think that this prompt would be good for. And then you give it a description, a category, you fill out the prompt. The prompt is going to scan for variables. And then you're going to decide, is this private or is this public? Public is going to take people to community. Private is going to take people to prompts. So I'm going to take you to prompts real quick. And this is all private prompts that are built within the system. So there's going to be some that you want to keep for yourself as private. And then there's going to be some that you're going to want to say, we'll let the community decide if it's a good prompt or not. Also utilize the Chrome extension. You just click on there. I like opening it up to the full toggle size. And then once you're inside of here, you can see you have access to your personal prompts, your community prompts, and your pulse. So you can grab anything you want to work in from here, copy to the clipboard, paste it in, and you're done. So that's basically it in a nutshell. I do also want to show you the pulse. And in the pulse, there are ways to collect achievements. This is going to monitor the number of prompts that you've worked with. It's also going to look at your engagement. So if you're sharing prompts, you're socially sharing or uploading anything, it's going to pay attention to that here. And then also it's going to have community interaction as well. So how many hearts were you given, comments received, comments made. It's pretty neat. And then you could also look at the badges, and there's master level badges. Like the first level is architect. The next level is going to be broadcaster level. It tells you what the requirements are that you need to achieve those. And then on top of that, you've got basically micro achievements or just basic achievements. These achievements are based off of creation, sharing, engagement, and special. And you can see what all of the badges look like below. And that's it. It just makes this a really fun, easy to use, easy to set up, easy to participate with. But more importantly, it's going to keep you super organized with your prompts. And as everyone knows, the stronger the prompt, the stronger the output's going to be. It's going to save you time and hopefully do well for you. So ultimately, that's what it is. So grab yours while they're running this. And if you have any questions, you can always hit us up in support. Take care.